Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kayeng dorba thawan jo Meghalaya kani kendu no do santri unai wing arjar arpho hadu ka khat artri unai wing arjar arpho nagmenta ka dorbar sanrai ya ki tarik jong kane ka dorbar sanrai la penbet agala sgi ublei ha jigalang ka bla peniai no lampang kayeng dorbar thawan ba met ba lengdo ha ka ba no yalam kalyang persya Dr. Mukul Sangma bat kiwei klai shim benta kani ka dorbar sanrai kan long nagmenta san sgi Hagaba laisgi galong nagbenta ki kam ki beide ba ka sarkar ban arsgi nagbenta ki nu ki mat ki bala ban wanra de ki khot jong ka yeng darbar thawan.
Today we had the business committee where 4 members are there, including myself, the Deputy Chief Minister in charge Parliamentary Affairs, the Leader of Opposition, and the MLA from Sheila constituency. And we have discussed at length about the proposed date of the autumn session, and we decided to go for a session starting on the 5th and up to the 12th of November 2020. So we're going to have 3 days common business and 2 days private members business.
So
these
did
are
you
the discussions.
discuss something about like you need to go for random testing before the session starts, like because there are legislators tested positive earlier.
Well, in fact, we are going to walk out from our office about the protocols and SOP that needs to be followed in order to ensure the safety of each and every member coming to the house, the officers, and all those who are from the media houses also, and maybe few from the visitors who would like to attend this coming session. So we'll see that all those things are in place, and whatever best possible things that we can do, we will definitely ensure that those things are in place. And we had already experienced recently in the last session that we had. The first one was the budget session, and the other one is the reassembly of the session, and where we have followed all those protocols which are supposed to be there in the house itself.
Also cut down the question hour as being done like in Parliament.
No, I think we will not follow that. In fact, question hour will be there. Okay. The normal sitting hours will be right from 10 to 2 o'clock. But however, I will definitely regulate and restrict the timing, maybe to close the business of the day, maybe before the time, before 2 o'clock. Maybe it all depends on the items of business that we are going to have on the following day. Maybe we have to close down by 1 o'clock, maybe 1:30. So I will regulate the time accordingly. Where the DAC also has given me that message that I can do that at my level as a